Me will carry on me back or something. Okay, here we go. Hello, Olgeta. Name me Donald. Welcome to Zenag Haus Kuk, where by you me cook him sample nice plus simple kai kai using Zenag products. Zenag you me save also no one plan new plan name, one plan household brand where you me will get to grow up on them. Now over the last 75 years, all working with nice plus chicken and eggs, quality, na taste plong you yet you save nice thread. Okay, I'll get that, but you now talk plenty too much, but you go straight and me cook. Now, but you working easy quiche using Zenag eggs. Display all ingredients, but you using long working quiche. But you preheat him oven blue me to 180 to 200 degrees. Okay, first step blue me, you need low working pie crust. So here you can look him. Me just add him flour, na butter. So time me add him flour butter one time, me mix him two one time. In will come up with some more crumbs. So once me come up with all crumb now, me add him in cold water blue me. Now me mix him one time go. Now me knead him one time hand blue me. So that time by now mix good. The time I'm ready now also, you dust him bench blue one time flour. You just roll him. Then you put it inside the pie tray. To remove all edges, now bake 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, time you may get him pie crust blue me long oven. You may go straight long eggs blue me. Just add him all get the eggs go inside long mixing bowl. Now you may whisk. After that, you may just add him in all pre-cooked mixed vegetables blue me plus ham blue me. Then you may mix him can. Then you can go straight one time all seasoning blue me, just pinch of salt, pepper, add him little cheese go inside. Then you mix him all up again. So once pie crust blue me ready, you can add him in all egg na vegetables na ham mixture go inside. Add in more cheese. Then you can bake him for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can roast him. Time him golden brown. So once I'm ready now, you can just slice him. Or like blue, so if you like greedy too, now you cut him big black blue or like blue. Now you can serve with them garden salad. Now enjoy. Zenag. Power protein, power kai kai.